How to remove blur from YouTube videos. This tutorial shows you how to fix blurry playback by manually setting your video quality. First, open the YouTube app on your Android. After that, tap on the video that's appearing blurry. From there, tap on the screen once to bring up the player controls. Let me show you. At this point, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the video. In the next step, tap on Quality from the menu that appears. Following this, tap on a fixed resolution, such as 1080p or 4K, instead of leaving it on auto. Once done, the video should reload and play noticeably sharper. From here, if it's still blurry, connect to a stronger Wi-Fi network, since low connection speed forces YouTube to drop quality automatically. At this stage, close the app fully from recents and reopen it if the blur continues even at a high resolution. Keep in mind, newly uploaded videos can also look blurry for the first hour or so, while YouTube is still processing the higher quality versions in the background. Finally, come back to the same quality menu anytime you want to switch back to auto or choose a different resolution. And that's it. If this guide helped you remove blur from YouTube videos, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.